Greetings, regular teacher Vanessa, and I am a student of roll number 1661, and I will make a personal presentation and a recount of my daily routines. And this is me. My name is Erkin Biafara, and I am single. I am 20 years old and I live in Santander, the village of Coke. I am a farmer and I grow a pineapple and cassava. And I study agronomy at UNAP, and in my free time I listen to music, play soccer, and go for a ride on my motorcycle. And I don't have a daily routine because I work independently, but normally I get at 7 and have breakfast and work until night. And at 1 I have lunch and sleep until 4, and from 5 to 7 I play soccer, and after dinner and shower I take a nap from 8 to 11 and study until 3 or 4 or 5 a.m.